Hi everyone. Today I want to show you one of the new use cases that can be used in RyzUp Sheets. This can be used by anyone working on any accounting data, whether you are preparing the books of accounts or you're reviewing or you are an auditor or you are checking as a person doing due diligence or on the investor side. So here we have a journal ledger of a company for the period of 6 months. It's like any other journal ledger, which has an account head, date, and all the other details, including tax rates, etc. Here, what I did just a few minutes before the call, I asked the AI assistant of RyzUp Sheets this query: analyze this as an auditor and share mistakes or errors or things which are not in line with the Singapore accounting standards, along with a formal detailed email for the preparer to fix the mistakes to make this accurate and correct. Let's see what results we got after that. So it starts with key accounting errors and non-compliance with Singapore Financial Reporting Standards or SFRS. First, it will say misclassification of expenses. So it picked up that insurance is posted at the bank fees. It talks about entry and so on. And then it says the correct treatment should be reclassification to insurance expenses. Then it picked up a few other expenses which have been not classified correctly. So that is the first set of errors that it picked up. Second, it picked up some duplicate entries or double postings like identical Cloudflare or hosting entries, duplicate customer success expenses, and so on. Third, it picked up improper capitalization or prepayment accounting. So Google Ads annual media package has been incorrectly capitalized. The correct treatment is, if this is an annual contract, this should be allocated over the covered period. Similarly, for a software license, then it also picked up the misstatements of GST or incorrect treatment of tax. It also picked up some other errors like incorrect or uneven accruals. And then it also highlighted some issues that are relevant as a reviewer. I also asked it to prepare an email that I could send out to the preparer of this financial along with the action points to fix these. So here it drafted the email: Dear XYZ, as part of the process, we have identified several entries and practices that are inconsistent and not in line with SFRS, etc. So here it starts again with expense misclassifications, and it also says action: reclassify this as an insurance expense. Action: move to hosting and infrastructure. Action: transfer to advertising and promotion, and so on. So it has already drafted something, it has already reviewed and drafted something which otherwise could take hours and also could be missed by a human being. So similarly, we can do a lot of other analysis and checks as finance folks on our data using this. Now I'm again going to ask, can you prepare this email in a more structured format? Can you prepare this email in a structured format and show the errors and actions in a table form?